Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at the whiteboard feature in Canva. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and just type in KWL. I'm going to select this one right in here. So it comes up right away. I'm going to go ahead and I just want to lock this feature because I don't want the students to move it. So that one as well as this one. And then topic wise, I'm just going to go ahead and just type in AI for right now. Okay, so what I want to do now though is I want to go ahead and I want to duplicate this, and I'm just going to duplicate it twice. And the reason why is I want students 1 to 5 and 6 to 10 to work on this one. So I'm going to select here, I'm going to rename this 1 to 5 and then students 6 to 10. Obviously you would do a bunch more of these for other students in your class. So 6 to 10. Now on this one though, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lock this one so students don't work on this one. And I want to now share it. So I'm going to share. I'm going to make sure anyone with the link for right now, that's fine. We're going to send it to Google Classroom. Go through your process, and I'll show you what it looks like from the student point of view. Okay, so just shared it. We're going to select it right in here. I'm in as a student. So now what you can see, I'm going to go ahead. This is what student would see. Edit template. And they're going to see right in here, but they can't really do anything because it's locked, because here it is, it's 1 to 5. So now they can go ahead in and you can move the page a little bit lower, obviously make this larger, and then they can type in what I know about AI, and they can just go ahead, type things in, add what they would like over here, move these things over, bring some more over in here, type in exactly what they know, what they want to learn, and what they have learned just by coming in here and adding those things there. You as the teacher can then go ahead and, obviously, you can see right in here, this is what they're working on. You can see student test 2 is right here. And then 6 to 10 obviously would be here. So really great feature, easy to use. If you have any questions, reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.